Hello, I'm Rusty Payne, Hardware Product Manager for Aetna Building Solutions. Welcome to Payne's Points, where the latest in hardware technology is available to accent your cabinets, furniture, and millwork. In keeping with the Aetna ways, today we are practicing number 8, sharing information. Aetna Building Solutions is proud to provide you with the latest innovations in cabinet hardware through its partnership with Salice America. Today we will be reviewing the innovative third generation Silentia Plus 100 series. We'll take a look into what makes the Silentia Plus unique, what overlay and installation configurations are available. In addition, the wide array of standard and specialty application hinges that make up the comprehensive 100 series. So, what makes the Silentia Plus unique? There are 2 physical features that we'll talk about today. One is a switch in the cup, which allows you to adjust the soft close motion based on the size of the door. Secondly is the encapsulated silicone pistons in the back of the hinge. Why is this so important? Because it makes the hinge impervious or unaffected by extreme weather conditions. Where does this come into play? Let's say you're in the garage environment. It's 20 below outside. Do you think that the competitor's hinge is going to close at the same rate? I doubt it. So now let's look at the entire list of features for the Silentia Plus 100 series, and we'll come back to these 2 that we just discussed. The Silentia Plus 100 series features 12 millimeter cup depth, standard 45 and 9.5 millimeter hole pattern on the cup, independent adjustment on the hinge arm, a maximum overlay of 21 millimeters, up to 105-degree opening angle, total lateral adjustment of 5.5 millimeters, new soft close adjustment switch, encapsulated soft close pistons. Now that we've reviewed the unique features of the Silentia Plus 100 series, we're going to talk about hinges for standard applications. So our number one seller in this series is the full overlay hinge. So it's for a door, overlays a 19 millimeter side panel. In addition to the full overlay hinge, we have the half-inch overlay, which has a 5 millimeter crank in the arm. And on a 19 millimeter side panel, that'll get you about a 5/8 overlay. In addition, a true half overlay hinge, which features a 9 millimeter crank. This is used commonly in the closet industry, where you have a single partition and two back-to-back doors. So it's a good hinge for the closet industry for sure. And then in addition, we also have a full inset hinge, which features a 17 millimeter crank in the arm. In addition to the standard application hinges, there are also hinges for specialty applications within the 100 series, including hinges for blind corners in both overlay and inset configurations. In addition, there are also hinges for diagonal wall cabinets from 15 degrees, 30 degrees, and 45-degree opening. So what applications are best suited for the versatile Silentia Plus 100 series hinges? Any light-duty casework, closets, garages, storage cabinets, furniture, kitchen cabinets, and light retail fixtures. Every good hinge needs a plate. And my go-to is the Salice BAR series. Strong, two-piece steel cast construction. Total inline adjustment. And what does that mean? That means for ease of installation and fitting at the job site, all three adjustments are in the same plane, optimum adjustment as well. Please contact your Aetna sales associate to discuss your product requirements for samples, additional product information, and pricing. We look forward to assisting you with your hardware needs on your next project.